Did you have your driver's license?
Oh, yeah. Yeah, I didn't even think. I just a little tiny bit. That was it.
Well, it's one thing if you got 100 horsepower, but I guarantee you don't. So, give me a second. All right, there's your license. So today you're cited for careless driving and you're cited for expired registration.
Careless driving.
What's that?
Why'd you get me for careless, man?
Why did I get you for careless?
Dude,
because you're already speeding and then you gunned it on top of that and you got people standing around right here. That's why.
I was not speeding. You were way back there, dude. I'm not.
I was way back there. I was in between four cars behind you.
No, I was just, that was it.
Okay. Like I said, you can absolutely go to court and contest it.
Judges of
So it's scheduled for October 12th. So they need to be paid by that date, or you can show up on August 12th at 9:30 and talk to the judge about it.
Tags online, that doesn't register?
No.
Well, I mean, I bought them online. I just paid for them.
Okay. Do you have something that shows you paid for them?
Dude, I bought them online. I just paid for them today before I brought the car.
Okay. All right. So just take that in and show the judge that you had them on today's date and time, and he'll dismiss it. It's that simple. Because right now it's not showing anything. They don't work on Saturday, so all the computer systems are down. So if you have it, just take it in, show him. He can dismiss that for you.
What did you get me on a careless for?
Because you were already speeding when you accelerated. It's a 20-mile-an-hour zone right here.
Did you clock me on something?
No, I didn't. I was trying to catch up to you, actually.
So how do you know how fast it was when you were 2 blocks behind me?
Because I was doing 40 and I wasn't catching you.
There's no way I was doing 40 right there.
Okay, so like I said, if you want, you can go ahead and contest it.
Ticket when you didn't even fucking clock me, dude.
Because my speedometer said 40, I wasn't catching you.
You were way back there. You weren't even close to me, and you know it. Why are you being a dick?
Okay, so you absolutely can go and contest it, sir. Absolutely.
Yeah, the new judge is an asshole too. I tried it before. You guys are like the fucking mob, dude.
Okay, so
no
my suggestion is drive like a normal person, and you won't have any issues.
How can you cite me without proof that you fucking caught me at 41 miles an hour?
I didn't cite you for 41 miles an hour. I cited you for careless. You're correct. So, yep.
Yeah, whatever.
Have a great day.